More than 4,700 new coronavirus cases were reported by the Virginia Department today, bringing the total number of deaths to 4,791 in the state since March. As cases continue to rise, a local emergency room doctor is making a last-minute plea for people to stay home for the holidays. Our Brendan King joins us now live to share that doctor's warning. Brendan?
Well, I have some good news to share tonight. I tested negative for the coronavirus, but the ER doctor I spoke to is warning that a negative test does not give anyone free range to let our guard down, especially during the holidays.
Trust the science that this is actually going to prevent each of us from dying from this disease.
Dr. Carlton Stadler will spend his holiday in the emergency room.
I do work on Christmas. We're going to have a small family, just the people in our homes getting together.
Stadler serves as a member of the Virginia College of Emergency Physicians during an exhausting and tough year.
And we can see the light at the end of the tunnel, but we're not there yet.
That light, he says, is a vaccine.
It tells me that I'm not going to die from this disease. And that's something that every emergency room physician has on their mind.
Since the pandemic started, frontline workers fear they'll catch the virus and bring it home to their loved ones.
This holiday is really the big test, right? It's the test where there's hope on the horizon, but there's still so much disease and the numbers are increasing dramatically.
He says some families failed that test on Thanksgiving.
Yes, we did see an actual dramatic increase in the number of patients that we saw, patients from interconnected families. Because they didn't necessarily heed those warnings. Again, there have been a couple of cases where we've had entire families occupying hospital beds or even intensive care units.
So as we near 2021, let us all pass this next test.
You know, it's important for families to realize we're not out of the woods yet.
Not out of the woods yet, he says. Well, Dr. Stadler continues to echo the same advice. Socially distance yourself from another person, wash your hands, wear a face mask, especially if you're indoors and you cannot socially distance safely from another person. So have a safe and healthy holiday, everyone. Working for you in Richmond, I'm Brendan King, CBS 6 News.